Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak like Gordon Ramsay full guide. Preheat a heavy skillet until it smokes and pat the steak dry to ensure a perfect sear. Add a high smoke point oil and start timing the sear without moving the meat. Flip once to preserve juices, then baste with butter, garlic, and herbs to build flavor and finish to desired doneness. Season both sides just before searing and don't overcrowd the pan to avoid steaming. Use a thermometer to hit precise temperatures and remove steaks a few degrees shy of target. Spoon hot butter over the steak while tilting the pan to concentrate flavor on the surface. Rest on a warm rack so juices settle, then slice against the grain for a tender bite and even texture throughout. After searing, transfer thick cuts to a 350 degrees F oven until the internal temperature reaches your preference, then rest briefly. Make a quick pan sauce by deglazing with stock or wine, scraping brown bits for concentrated flavor. Swirl in butter off heat for gloss and richness, and taste for balance with salt and acid. Serve sliced with pan jus or a light squeeze of lemon to brighten the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.